It's truly a place of beauty and history. Assalamu alaikum everyone. So today I decided to give Iktyaruddin's Castle, or famously known Herat Citadel, a visit, and let me show you around. The citadel dates back to thousands of years ago, back when Alexander the Great conquered Afghanistan. It's been destroyed and rebuilt many times. So many times, in fact, that historians lost count. During the past decade or so, it wasn't in this state that you see right now, glorious and beautiful. It used to be in ruins. But thankfully, Afghan Foundation, with their support, they helped to rebuild this place brick by brick and restore it. This is one of the towers, one of the main towers, watchtowers to be precise. You can also have a glimpse at the city of Herat, the old city. We're also going to visit that art gallery, so stay tuned for that as well.